them are young. But you know I go. Money and fin neck.
Damn, that's a lot of food.
In an hours a night at 2:30 nearly 3 a.m.
I know, eh?
That's how we Jamaican do it. 2:17.
Damn. What you do with the fish, guy?
What do you mean? What did I do?
Oh my God, you killed the fish.
There's no more fish.
If you come to Jamaica and you don't call Jason,
You're making a mistake.
You're making a mistake. You're making a mistake. Call Jason.
Yeah, that
If you want to experience Jamaica,
Belly is full
Jason.
and your heart is full.
Look upon this in an hours a night.
Safest tour guide you can ever get.
Jesus.
Safest.
Yeah, man.
Man will take you everywhere, guy. You don't have to worry about nothing.
Not a cool.
Nothing. He got you.
Oh my God.
Jay got you.
You're so loud in my ear.
Him nice. Him nice.
Nice.
What's up, my beautiful babes? Big up on yourself. Nah, man, yeah. Next adventure, the guests said they just coming from out of the gym. Yeah, man, you know what I mean?
Fully active.
Fully active.
Oh, see there.
Yeah, man. She look tired. Look how she a walk.
Oh, she's dead.
She look tired.
She's dead.
Fully active and dying.
May I say, you look tired. Fully active but tired.
Oh my God. My hands.
That's the gym life.
Ah. Oh, my arms.
That's the gym life.
Yeah.
All the vice gone.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
peeps.
Oh
We're
my
fully
body.
active outside.
Good morning.
Yeah, man. Good morning. Each and everyone. Yeah, man. Tour just at the start. Fully active. But you don't know after the gym, you're gonna need a little rest. Then you're fully active after that.
I'm just in the class. Not a big deal.
Just a little rest.
No, after the AT or jet skis.
Okay.
Rest after jet skis.
Okay, active.
Yes. And I can't talk that.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the
The market.
market now, get some maki, get with saltfish and stuff.
And
Go.
then the boiled
Dumpling?
Yeah,
dumpling.
yam and sweet potato. And then after that now, after we eat and food digest, we can do the jet ski.
Yeah.
Then you come back now and you have the whole eating where you can rest or whatever. Fully active.
Beautiful.
Ready for the jet ski?
We'll see.
We'll
You're
see.
gonna do it.
Hey, you know what we're gonna do? Like how we go at the White River yesterday.
Yeah.
I think we can do the Magani Beach now. They do jet ski there also.
That's a nice beach. That's a really
Yeah,
nice
so we're gonna do the jet ski at Magani Beach.
beach. Okay, and then we can chill there too.
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
lay down there and sleep how long you
Yeah.
wanna chill.
I'm
That
gonna sleep outside.
yeah, cause it's a chill spot.
You need that.
I do.
For the sun to heal you.
Alright,
the sun and the
peeps,
water to
going
heal
to the
me.
market now. Ouchie market, my peeps. Hey, you watch your vlog every day?
I don't know why they never call your name, but they must feature the guy. The guy from the one that got eat the festival, man. They talk about the chef from St. Louis. They should have said GS.
They should have
Yes, why they never say call your name?
yeah, that are the observer.
Yes.
The cleaner, yeah, because we see it on the cleaner. I never said guy from St. Mary, they should have put me name on the thing for true. Because I mean, you see my man, I said, bro, forward on here to cook some food for you. Forward and mash it up, man. Yeah, man.
What you say, man? Keep up the good work.
Alright, yeah, man. Really active. Yeah, we feel.
Sure.
Check out up here. Yeah, man, then I watch Riot Market. We get some little things to cook, you know what I mean? Yard man style. And what's the trying a weekend, enough of the place and close down. Weekend, everything fly up.
How that now? Man, how's it going, sir?
Yeah.
How are you doing, sir?
Bless you.
Can't do it for you, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
300 pounds, sir.
300 pounds. We corner of them. I want 2 pounds. Get some sweet potato. Yes, I want to rent.
You know them, man, yeah.
Yeah, man. It's yam. It's good. How much I want to wear it? Ah, yeah, man. And I put another piece of we have good amount of season around there already in a peak, so we now pick up no spelly and no time, not like them, we have them there already pepper all of them. Oh, okra. Now we're going to steam some fish.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me a nice dozen. It's good.
That's all every time.
See, you have Aki.
Is that here?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I see it.
Aki over there. So that tree, the picture we took, that was Aki.
I guess so.
Yeah, man, Aki check. As a bushman, Aki check.
How do you Aki check it?
Oh, we can get one dozen. Aki and saltfish. A dozen of them in the fire. Yeah, man. Hey! Look over here, man. What is that? Native.
Is
Then
that?
I make the rice and peas sweet.
Ah.
This is native too. But you have some one native like this and a native. Okay.
So this I make the rice and peas sweet, but this I make it sweeter. Because this is native coconut. Notice one round
And one's
one
long, yeah.
Yeah, all for coconut. It's a good look. All type of coconut.
Okay.
And there's some good coconuts you see by all. So
This is Aki.
yeah, that's Aki.
I seen, we didn't know what this was.
But you got to wait till it open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's all over Jamaica, yeah?
Yeah, all over. Because it, you know why now, for instance, we go around now, and we clean it up, you see the seed, this is the Aki seed.
Okay.
Anyway, I throw it over the bush, it's gonna grow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can we take one with us?
90,
I don't think it'll grow,
90%
okay.
out of 100, it's gonna
It's
grow.
gonna grow. That's why everybody has it.
Yeah, so everywhere you look, you're gonna see it.
See, Aki.
And it's also a national dish. It's part of a national dish. Aki and saltfish, you know what I mean? So everywhere you look, you're gonna see it. It's a must.
Here, let me get him taking it out.
Yeah, no problem.
So basically, the seed, the skin we don't use. It's the seed.
Yeah, we don't use this skin.
Okay.
So you might take it out after
Yeah.
you eat the shell,
Yeah.
throw away the shell, and then the aki itself inside, you still have to clean it up. You gotta cut off the top and take all the stuff out the middle.
I wonder who tried it first.
It's poisonous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know that you can eat like that.
Yeah,
Some, you
just
can-
like that?
Yeah, you have some Rasta eat it. But I prefer it when you cook. I never tried it raw.
Okay.
But I know I see Rasta eat it already.
Wow.
So they're gonna peel this like this, right? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Are we gonna take them?
Yeah, man, fully active.
So we have 3, 6, 6 and 5, 11, 11 and 6, 17 and 6, 23, 24 and a half.
Alright, that bag, that's a four.
They have William Skilling and
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, that's all
I love seeing the colors.
Yeah.
This is real Jamaican, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, yardman style. That's how we do it.
24, 26. Oh, yeah, there's a-
Fully active fire.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, man, out here is market. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get some fish and then get back to the Airbnb. And I'm going to cook up a storm around here. Aki and saltfish, steamed fish. Aki and saltfish with steamed fish, and they want like boiled yam. Oh, you get me yam, me get me sweet potato, and get me like a dirty banana. And you know, we're fully active.
Done.
Later on.
You have a shirt that says fully active?
I swear.
You need a,
I
that's your
swear.
slogan, you know
You
that
need to
shirt?
send me it. I'm
Fully
gonna
active.
make some shirts.
That's your slogan. Like,
Yeah, man,
you've been saying that like.
When you get your fresh meat,
Ah.
yeah. So we happen to today is Wednesday. They come out like from Thursday to Saturday.
Got it.
Yeah, so it's on the 1 and 2 here now. So you get fresh meat.
Oh, wow.
So if you want your pork, you're active, that's a fast food. One pan.
Yeah, oigo.
Oh my goodness. What? Which one?
No, like pan.
Oh, corn.
Yeah.
I can do corn. Do you want corn? I love corn.
All pan in there.
One shower. Sorry.
See how cool it.
Sí, hombre.
banana stop, no?
Oh, we came around. Oh my lord. Yeah, we went around. A dozen? Do we... Can we get half a dozen? Do we need all of them? Do we need all of them?
It's banana, it's good.
Oh, yeah.
It's good.
You're gonna eat them all today?
Huh?
It's like you're gonna eat them all today?
Well, I'm not gonna eat all of them today.
Yeah, a dozen.
Are you not gonna try it?
But
I'm gonna have them, just not. I know I'm not gonna eat that much. Like, do you not?
Remember what happened last night?
Yeah,
It's
I had a
better to
scoop.
It's better to
Had a
have.
scoop. Leave me be.
It's better to have.
Leave me be.
You needed
No.
something yesterday.
No.
And there was nothing.
Yes, and that's a good thing.
Oh, so if there was, you would have.
That's a good thing.
If there was, you
Obviously.
But you worked out today, so that was good.
I did, but still.
yes, sir, fully active. To the fish market.
To the fish market we go.
And we have to go up on the seaside for the fish market.
Ooh, yay. It's gonna smell.
So we're going on the seaside.
I'm excited. Oh my god. Alrighty.
Alright, kids. Yardman style. That's how we do it.
Let's see this.
Some of this, the houses are, you see some of these houses are $500, Joe.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's just like in Italy where they have these $100 homes.
Reach on the seaside, you know my peeps getting fresh. Fully active.
1 in every 7 homes in Japan is empty.
That's crazy. Look at this. That's what you get. Fresh. Oh.
No, they don't want to check that brother there.
You said if you come forward, that's all.
Yeah, check it out here, man.
Oh, it's fresh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at those shells.
Remember what I told you I can't smell?
You can't smell?
If I smell, that means it's very strong.
Oh my goodness. I want to get
Have you
one.
ever had
I
one
want to
of
get
this?
one.
It is so delicious.
I want to get one for Nat too.
They have a show?
Yeah.
String of fish, yeah.
Listen, this is you prefer the carrying give more flavors and more wider, you know?
No, but we make it when the size you want, they weld it.
Oh, they're welded. Alright, so you get the fish then right now. So head up and go start some cooking. I'm going to get ski to the floor so just do the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Ackee and saltfish with steamed fish. that them say they want, you know, so that not to give them yardman style, though. Them want the real way, the right way, fully active. Making our kitchen here now, you know, it's our cooking time. See the fish them I want me get some nice fish. See the yam them, the sweet potato, you know what I mean, candy there, so banana, pumpkin, saltfish, cornmeal and flour, ackee, scallion, thyme, garlic, pepper. So you know everything go? Yes I am. I get fully active in the kitchen here now, man. Yardman style. Right? Fully active. Pack the pan fire here now. Now the saltfish are gonna boil off, because you know you have to boil the saltfish to get out the salt. Fully active. So right now we just clean up the ackee. Because you know you have to cut off the top of the ackee and clean out the middle. That's a cord. So I go through here now and I clean out the ackee so I can put them on the fire. Don't clean out the ackee, just go wash off me and I need some flour. Yeah, I'm not make no whole heap of dumpling. Would I just make one, would I want 6 or 8 dumpling? 8 would have too much. Make 6 dumpling. You know what I'm with? Yes, I fully active. So that is what I'm doing now. Getting fully active in the kitchen. Guess them gonna sleep. Because I'm going to gym early this morning. And then we go pick them up from gym. Now we go do a little shopping around, run a little errand. So now they come back here, they gonna sleep. Me can't sleep. You have to be fully active in the kitchen. Because by the time you wake up, they're gonna be like, when you done cook. But the food center go wake them up, man. Soon as some food center start, lick them in the room. Because no matter how you lock down, you know, you have to smell my food. No matter what door lock or what window we lock. If I have a tree wall, you have to smell it a come from. Believe. Alright, Aki can go, you know. Aki can go, my peeps. Aki can go, you know, what you know. And even the pot, them the plan for boil the ackee, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, see, I mean that my plan for boil the ackee, you know. But through me see it a boil up and I don't start need the flour yet, I just throw the ackee in it. Saltfish pot looking good too. Yeah man, on the saltfish pot. Yeah, scald off the saltfish off the boiling, so make sure the salt come off. So that me I do. So put him in some fresh water, pick him up, take out the bone. You know what I mean? Yeah man, take out the bone out of here and you know say good to go. Ackee and saltfish. So ackee a boil, saltfish a boil off. So it's a good look. Need to line up and I start need the flour. Flour and cornmeal. Because you know when you deal with white flour, you just take time, tip your water. You tip your water and knead up your flour, my peeps. Because if you throw water one time, you could have spoiled it. And maybe you skill on me way. You can use the one water and knead it, you know what I mean? Yeah man, because you know some people, even some people, me skill enough when I can use one water cook your rice. So I don't know if you can use one water steam it. You can use one water steam the rice. I don't know if you can use one water knead the flour. So You see through me no skill like you. I tip the water little by little. Calm dumpling, I see your flour yellow. That's the power of the caramel dumpling. If you yellow in a pot, peeps. Yeah, no white flour around here. Yeah, man, you need to use the same flour, clean the pot. Yeah, man, see that? Press him out. See? That's a cool, peeps. Alright, flour don't need. Ready for go in a pot. See me? That's a code. Pot start boil up here now. Put in some dumpling. It's come like a more than the amount when I say me I go mix it there. Some neat little dumpling. Flour well set to, you know. So dumpling half it pretty. From you make it good. That 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of them no bad. Can me say 6 or 8, but it turn out to be 7. Aki don't boil too, you know, peeps. And saltfish don't boil, so Aki can fry up anytime, you know. You might have a fish fi start steam too. But we just want to get the food pot out of the way. See? Yes. They'll get something and the next time store it so your dumpling then not stick. You know what I mean? You want to just take your time. Spill dumpling in a pot. Alright. That's a cool. Cover up back that I know I make fire and pot. Do the work. Next time you see that when I put in the yam and the sweet potato. You know what I mean? Fully active. Yardman style. Alright.
There, you just went to heaven.
Time to put me ackee and saltfish, fry up some scallion and thyme, onion, tomato, all of them there. But over there saw bubble too. So you know it's a good look.
Let's go, you're protected there.
Yeah, man, yard man style. I'm gonna use fry them up with some coconut oil.
I was saying that. I'm just like, this is too much energy.
Fully active, my peeps. Soon as them start fry up now, can't throw any saltfish, can't even throw any now too. And when you see saltfish, you know you have to scale it off, pick out the bone them. Yeah man, fully active. And throw in a pot here too. Yeah, zippery. Yeah man, all of them they go fry up. And what me like do, when my stuff are fry up, when my onion, scallion, thyme and pepper all of them they fry up, I like keep look of seasoning. So I season them there, you know what I mean? Fully active. That's how my food tastes. So yeah man, stir them. So the thing take seasoning. Alright. Fire burn low. But put in my eye. Alright, that's a code. Yeah, drop in on 2 okra in it, you know, peeps. Can you buy okra for your fish? So you know, we can drop in okra in it. code. Soon as that start fry up here now, you can chew on the ackee. Yeah man, see ackee here, boil already. So now chew off the water. Then we chew the ackee in the pot here. You know what I mean? Fully active. We're going over here so. Yard man style. Now I have a pot cover so me make one. Alright. Put in me thing then I know see it and I chew off the water. But have them pants on water. Then I have the sweet potato and the yam. It's a soft yam so the sweet potato go in same time. Then the banana after. You know what I mean? Fully active. When you peel them, you have to keep them on some water to keep them fresh. I'm going in a pot. Yes, I'm going to make hot water take on. Peel a couple finger banana chop on top of that, you know. Yes, but yeah, start fry up your now too, you know. Fully active. Right, it's a good look my peeps. This will start bubble up back here now. Couple minutes from now we put in the banana. Yardman style. This pretty. Pretty with peeps. I'm going to fry it. Strip the bone as much as possible. That's a cord. Throw in ackee in a pot here now. Yes, sir. That's a cord. Yeah man, now you turn on the fire. You take your time. Go and simmer down. Put whatever season you want to put on it. But you know say black pepper is a must. Black pepper have to go on it please. Give it a little colour there. Yeah man, black pepper do it man. Take your time because you don't want to stir it pot too hard and mash up your ackee them now. Yes, I see that. That's a cord. Ackee and salt fish. Sunrise Bass Production. Watch you see that? Pretty. Taste what I want. Yes, my peeps. Active one. Tastes like you want a little salt. Now put some all-purpose seasoning over him. And that shall do it. Because you see saltfish, I boil out the salt completely, you know, peeps. Yes, sir, saltfish now have no salt in it. That's how you have to do saltfish. You see, you know? Pretty. Right, you out that way, you know, my peeps. Yes, I like out that way, you know. Yardman style. It's supposed to ready for your banana, you know. Yeah, it's ready for your banana, my peeps. Peel off my banana then now. Put in a pot. Got a cool. Akira saltfish active. Never remember the can. And when me I say yeah, alright, I'm done with the pot and I'm putting a banana them and done with the pot. Me I remember say, yo bro, remember you have corn bro, and now the corn is going in the pot. I tell all the corn then tough. Jesus peace. I put them in now still. But I say $100 one for them, so you know I say them are not go too active, you know. See them come like they are young. Not come like them are young. But you know I go money I fi make. Maybe if him no reap them, the owner can reap them because this is Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yeah man, when I try to tell us say, if you no reap them at this stage, maybe somebody can thief them. So you have to reap them, you know what I mean? Yeah, cause some place in Jamaica I say go, you know. The farmer them farm and the reaper them reap. Wash him off, you know, drop him in a pot. You know what I mean? They don't look tough still. Alright, go on in a pot. So you have to in a pot long time, you know. Two of them. Bust. And just dry them. Then could have gone, you know. So when me a hustle from the street back in all the days, all them and myself I can go buy them, you know. Boil them and sell them for 200. If them big and look good, can sell them for 250. Depends on the venue where you're there. Depends on what keep. Right now them are gold. The boss say $100 per one. So you can see some implant them. Clean up and wash off and put in a pot. Alright, go on in a pot. Alright, pot one more water. You see what I go on the plate. But I go on more water. Throw some water in here. Make sure it's say turn up so it can start boil up back quick and fast. You know what I mean? Now throw a whole heap of water. Yeah man. See pretty water still warm, you know. Cause I'm not throw enough if it make it get back cold. Put banana on top, you know. Right? That's cold. Babes, can't if you go on a long time but me no remember it. But the greatest thing about it, it can look young. So you might go cook quick and fast. Yes I. That's a code. And line up now to do my steam fish. Then I cut up the steam fish in my babes. Yeah man. Fully active. Look on the aki pretty. I have to take you out of the pot because I want to pot for steam fish. You know where some of the steamy fish pumpkin tough. Because you know when I steamy fish, little water, some pumpkin make it boil and mash out and give it the colour and you know what I mean? Yes I. So right now that I go on. Over here so it's done cooking up. The banana then look soft on the top. There we go. Yeah man, you can lock off. Fully active down the babes. Yes, I pretty steam fish settings here now. Rip and pumpkin if you cook. You see the pumpkin is tough. You see the take time and mash out here now. Yeah, fully active. Use the next hand. Just mash out there. So you make it thick up, you know what I mean? And give it a colour the way you want. peeps. See how it's fully active. So all of them, when I cut up, I go in the pot. Where are you dropping to? Go in a pot. Alright, see that peeps? All of them in a pot. Soon as carrot cook to how I want it, you know say, can put my fish pan top of them here. Steel fish settings, you see it, pray? And a whole heap of vegetable in here. Yes. So when you put the fish them on top of this, I show you what time it is, my peeps. If you know, let everything go and go cook down. Silk them down. Steam fish time I know, you know, peeps. Yes, fish can steam, you know. I'm gonna show some things all over juice. Yeah, man, juice up one with up on top. Yes, it's a cool cover pot now, make pot and fire. We do the work. Fish pot must be ready, you know. I'm on the pan. I don't like a fish, you know. Fish are ever king up. What the fuck, you know? Yo, what you do, say fish scarce can see rough weather from one day. That's why I don't buy that one, you know. Normally, I don't take it, you know. See, I'm up now, king up. Yeah, man. A whole heap of sauce you can eat with them dumpling. If you notice, the
Fully active.
fully active. I can have no sauce, you know. So,
Oh man, this sounds good.
yeah, man, look over here, so. So, we make this steamed fish have a good amount of sauce so they can use to eat their food. With the active on the side like a vegetable. Fully active peeps. Look, they're pretty. Some sharing time, yard man style. Looking at that, look at the ugly fish. Yeah, they eat. Wow, they eat peeps. Can go up on the road to deal with something. Go up on the road to deal with something just coming back. Can't say they eat, belly full up. Go on the road because later we have dinner. We are going on dinner a little more, so then go on the road and now if you get ready. She get her hair and makeup and so done. So me I go up here now to go get ready for dinner pre a little more. You see pre? Yes, I. Outside, mash up some pasta. The boss have shrimps. Me have lobster. She have lobster. They have beat a Bob Marley. You know what I mean? Nice little vibes.
Red stripes.
Boss, I do it a red stripe. What you get? You
I
get
have no clue it's mine.
no, she get some farmer lemonade with rum business. Yeah, man, fully active tips. Just the water. Jangali restaurant on the seaside. Watch rice. Full jar yourself, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active. Outside. You right here. I mean, it's active.
I have to finish it. Honest to God, I need to design your fully active logo.
Yeah.
I need it.
Oh, you know she designed this for me?
Oh yeah, I designed his logo.
Oh, that's nice.
And then I designed my logo.
Design that for me.
Yeah. I'm gonna design something for you. Fully active would be so sad.
Oh, let me see if I can find it.
The merch is coming soon. Wait.
Soon. Pasta active tips. Big American, man.
I could get like a. Oh, Erica, say hello. You're gonna say on the video. Hi, Erica.
Fully active. She taking shot of white rum.
White rum. And
Yeah.
Erica's on the phone from Florida. Cheers.
Fully active.
Fully active.
I feel fully active. Where's somebody drunk?
He's definitely drunk.
Okay.
Drunk?
Well, peeps, it was.
Listen, when I'm drunk, I don't remember shit.
Oh, okay, let's see.
Well, peeps, me tell you they drink, man. They drink the raw rum.
And boom.
Yeah. Oh, you try the boom.
Oh my god, we tried boom. Boom, that's the thing that I mixed it with.
So it's juice.
It was a juice, yeah.
Boom is juice. Juice is nothing.
Boom is for your dick. It's supposed to get you hard.
Yes, peeps, fully active. Just a forward from where we're coming from.
A strip club.
You have fun?
Yo, come to Jamaica. If you don't come to Jamaica, you don't know what you're missing. Come to Jamaica. Ja Rastafari.
We have food.
We got food too.
Right now, that's nice, you know, peeps. And you know the
I'm nice.
You know the greatest thing, the pot of food I'm cook today, you know, and then they eat. We said, no, I'm going to see them eat some food. Active. No, I catch them in the pot. Today, please, I never catch them in the pot. But look what I'm going now.
I'm like, okay.
Is there more fish? Oh.
Yeah, there is. I just don't want to look like a freaking animal just eating it up.
Hey, where's this fish? It just skin up so.
I'm like, it's so good.
Yeah, man. Look at it. When you eat, man. Maybe I mean when you live from eat.
No.
Alright, you see the skin of this, it's thick.
It's tough.
Yeah, but the flesh, it's good.
Okay, so should I warm it up?
So you're not going to put it in the microwave, or you're going to
I
do
should
it?
have put in the microwave.
I was going to put it in the microwave, but I don't want the whole thing though.
I'll share with you.
Okay,
Just
so I'll
take
put
the
it
whole
in.
thing.
Yeah, alright, so you are going to get one of the broad plate, and you just share it to the share now.
If you come to Jamaica and you don't call Jason,
You're
don't
making
know-
a mistake.
You're making a mistake.
Mm-hmm.
You're making a mistake. Call Jason.
Yeah, that's
If you want to experience Jamaica,
Belly is full
Jason.
and your heart is full.
Look on this in hours a night.
Safest tour guide you can ever get.
Jesus.
Safest.
Yeah, man.
Man will take you everywhere, guy. You don't have to worry about nothing.
That's a cool.
Nothing. He got you.
Oh my god.
Jay got you.
You're so loud in my ear.
Him nice.
Nice. Nice. Nice. And nice Nice.
Alright. Yes, please, fully active, man.
Too much.
Food ever cooked today.
Yes, you are too much. I'm eating.
So, you never take none of the ackee now?
Oh no, we're gonna warm it up on the air, can't we?
Yeah, man.
We had some of that.
So, alright, you see why we
so good.
you see why we Jamaican cook a lot of food? Cause we know say we are gonna eat, sleep, get up, eat, bed, go up on the road, go party. So when we come in, we are gonna mash up anything we left.
I agree.
Yes, I
agree.
saw we work as Jamaican, man. Believe, man.
So good. I mean, the athlete's gonna be perfect.
Yeah. I think I drank too much.
This is no, so you have to drink
never
too much,
drink
you know,
too
bro.
much.
You drink in the rain, nephew, and you drink it by shot.
63%.
By shot.
63%.
So you never know, said
No 40. 63%. As Canadians, all we know is 40, 40, 40, 63. Different.
Did you use any chaser? You drink the flask by shot, by shot, by shot. So it come like he never expects that we are never gonna shot him.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Yeah, now you reach home, you're gonna feel
I'm
it.
good. I'm good. Last in Jamaica.
Full
I'm coming back
yourself.
though.
Fully active.
Fully active.
I hope so.
That a cold peeps. Yeah, man, there you know, you know.
Damn, that's a lot of food.
In an hours a night at 2:30, nearly 3 a.m.
I know, eh?
That's how we Jamaican do it. 2:17.
Damn.
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 When I eat this food, you know, wake up to 11 o'clock a morning. No matter where you want, wake up 6 o'clock. I can't wake up 6, you know.
We're missing our plane tomorrow, guys. I'm scared.
Today was gonna kill me. Oh my god.
First time boss I come to Jamaica, the boss say want to miss his plane. With the food, the sunrise boss cook, I want to miss his plane.
We have to get that work. We
We
have way too many phones here.
We're missing our plane today.
We are not missing no plane.
Oh, we?
No.
We're missing it.
No, you can miss it. I cannot.
Why
Tay
not?
will fully destroy me.
He be good.
We eat some food, man.
Get some.
Yeah, man, I eat some ackee and saltfish and...
Get some.
Yeah, man, but at the
Get
same
some.
time, I have to show the people I'm on a full jar. So,
It's
so
okay.
I will eat after.
Let the people them go to sleep. Right now we're eating, chilling, relaxing. If you're not here, too bad.
Too bad.
Too bad.
Too bad.
Too bad.
The man says too bad.
Too bad.
As I'm
Too
stuffing
bad.
myself.
Too bad.
I'm like,
Come to Jamaica. Now go get some ackee and get
Yeah,
some
man.
food. Let's enjoy this.
Yeah, man.
did you try the alien head?
The what?
Alien thingy?
What's alien?
I don't know. It's alien. Alien. The weed.
Oh, yeah, I eat this now. I'm rolling
Oh,
up.
okay. I'm like, did you try it?
It's finished.
My one peeps.
Until the next time.
Big grade.
Till the next time.
Yard man.
Until the
style.
next time.
I know you feel it, you know.
Look at it. Look.
1 week is not enough.
See, as I tell you, it's
Yeah,
full of
too
flesh. The skin just thick. Yeah, man, Jamaica, you need 2 months, man.
Yeah.
Can I eat in peace?
Oh yeah. 2 o'clock in the morning.
Plate and clean, though.
Damn.
I made all my pasta, so.
Can't believe this is the last day.
What, you want more? You want more?
You're coming back.
I know I'm coming back. I'll bring Maddie. He's been asking me for a while. Can you get me?
What you do with the fish, guy?
What do you mean? What did I do?
Oh
with the
my
fish?
god, you killed the
That's
fish.
There's no more fish.
You killed the fish.
Would you like another fish?
And next beautiful morning in Jamaica. The sun is out. Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are
Fully
you?
active? Yes, we're
Fully
eating.
active.
We're eating there.
Yes, I. Fully active.
We are ready. I got all of.
I was wondering how would the plate for. Nah left it, peeps. Nah left it.
That's new.
Ackee and saltfish. Oh God, you nah left it, peeps. This I say, man, mash up everything.
That's new.
Yes, I. Fully active peeps.
Mm.
Yeah, man. Move them out to the car. You know? Mm-hmm.
Bye, J.A. Till next time.
Nice and beautiful day, bro. But one thing don't beautiful about the day for you.
Yeah.
You live in Jamaica.
Yeah. In 4 hours, it won't be like this. It'll be like hell.
Cold.
Hell. Hell.
Yeah, man, lock up nice Airbnb peeps, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active and to the airport, you know. So remember, book your airport trip, book your yardman tour. Yo, how was everything, bro, for your first time?
Excellent. I love Jamaica, man. Never knew it was like this. Definitely coming back. Definitely coming back. You gotta come and enjoy Jamaica, man. Sunshine. All day. Every day. Sunshine.
And every day is a new thing you
Every
experience.
day is a new thing.
Every day.
Plus, I conquered my fear. Only in Jamaica you can conquer your fear. Only in Jamaica, right?
Fully active.
I love it.
Yeah, man. So it's your second time.
This is my second time with the boss man himself, Jay. I can't even. I'm so happy. Yesterday, we closed off the night with amazing food, good music, and a really good sleep. So,
Fully active.
fully active, as you would say.
Yes, I.
Do we have all of that?
Yes, peeps. You know, so now them are gonna do less talking in the video because what? They're leaving the island, but we're heading to Mobile.
Baby,
Little puppy, roadblock in my deal, you know.
look at you. Oh no. Oh no, baby.
Maybe you're gonna run. Come in, puppy, come tour.
On the road. That's not what we were supposed to do.
They say you put him in the banking
That's
corner.
why I put him in the corner.
Where is he?
He's right there now.
Okay.
Oh, you go back. There you go. Yes, go to the shade.
You-
Bye,
your,
baby.
your mama soon find and come for you.
Oh. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. See, I want 10 dogs.
You want 10
I
dogs.
want 10 dogs.
I want 10.
Just let them all.
Wanting and having is two different things.
I know. I want them, but I don't want to have them. I'll stick to the one we have. Oh, but he was so tiny. Oh, he was a baby. Well, no, that wasn't a Chihuahua.
That's in Jamaica. We say that's a mongrel.
The mongrel, yeah, he's just a mix of everything.
Yes, heading on the main road now, peeps. Mobile, here come airport settings fully active. Make it Montego Bay Airport now. Mobile. And guess I'm going to take some picture. And then fully active. Yardman style. Let them out and go back over the hill. You know how it go. Fully active. You know the perfect time, man. Traffic and everything, man. Alright, airport settings. Yeah, man.
Oh, going back to hell.
Hell.
Hell, we're going back to hell.
When there's gonna be a storm.
This week is going to be the coldest in Ontario.
So where you going?
-50.
So where you going, man?
No choice.
Jesus,
I'm
please.
like, we all have to go. Mateo would kill me. He's done.
Yeah, man, I'm fully active. The link, safe travel. Yeah. All right.